Chance you didn't need your alarm this morning. A, you heard the thunder, or B, your animal, dog or cat heard the thunder and panicked a little.
Tom is here to tell us why the thunder might have seemed extra loud and rumbly this morning.
Yeah, and it wasn't your imagination. It was louder, and it was kind of that rumbly, like the long rumbles, right? There's science behind this, guys, which is really fascinating. So if you were to get into a hot air balloon and you were to go up, it would get colder, right? The higher up you go. That's the normal conditions that we have. Air is warmer at the surface. It gets colder the higher up you go. But sometimes we have a warmer layer of air above us. And that's what happened today. In fact, we were about 15 degrees colder at the surface than we were at about 6,000 feet over our heads. That's what we call a temperature inversion in the atmosphere when we see colder air at the surface and warmer air above us. Well, that's significant for two reasons. Number one, the warmer layer of air aloft can help to support thunderstorms, which is what we had across the area this morning. But number two, the sound waves get trapped beneath the inversion in the cooler air. So what does that do? That leads to louder sounds, number one, because it's closer to the surface. And number two, it leads to that long rumbling because the sound waves are trapped beneath the warmer air above it. So it leads to that longer, louder rumbling. So yeah, it wasn't just your imagination if you heard that loud rolling thunder earlier today.